Hey y'all, this is my unboxing of Juju nets. I'm Jim, and really excited about this. I just actually got another professional grade net the other day, which I'll be using. I'll be doing a review on that one soon. But this one is something that I'll be using more or less when I get back to Pensacola. Now we'll be doing a little bit of mullet net from Juju. Nice small container. What is that, 3.5 gallon bucket? Nice. Let's see. Looks like I got a sticker. And then, oh, it's a thank you card from livenet.com. Addressed to me, the mullet series. 3/4 inch mesh mullet net with a bag and a cast net mastery. So cast net bag really important. Make sure that it dries out. You don't want to store your cast net in water in a bucket that's sealed up. And something I probably don't need to read, but I probably will read, just because it's right up my alley. Right off the bat, as I'm looking at it, this is how it's sectioned out. It's laying in here. It's not packed tight like my last net that was supposedly handmade. Not that it wasn't. Wow, it's really soft. Matter of fact, one of the softest nets I've ever felt. The hand line, let's see. I like the way this feels too. It's got a nice feel to it. Don't see a bunch of frays or anything coming off of it. Nice looking net. So I'll be using this for mainly menhaden, or some of y'all might call them bunker, and then mullet. The mullet I'll be catching in the Atlantic here off the beach. Other than that, this net will be used mainly for bunker in Pensacola. Looking at the horn, it doesn't look like there's any double salvage on it. Everything, there's not a sectional horn on it. Not a deal breaker. My grandfather used to make nets, and he never did any of that either. It's not really in the concern here as much as the lead line. But wow, stupid soft net. The weight is good. I actually called ahead because they didn't have it on their website. I emailed them. They got back with me, and within 24 hours, the entire net, rope, bucket, and all, less than 15 pounds. So I'm assuming, 1.4, 1.3, maybe 1.5 for a 10-foot net. But at 1.5, it would put it at. So it has to be just a little bit under. So, and let's see. It does not have double salvage on the bottom of the net, but every turn is tied. Every loop, it's got a double lead line tied. Actually, the double is really thick. And here's their special weight. It's like an concave. It's not quite a barrel, and so it's supposed to fall faster. And this is their mullet net specialty. I'm looking really forward to throwing this thing. But let's get some, okay, this is 10-foot net. I wanted to get some measurements on it, just because of my last net, to make sure that everything was, it seemed like my last net I bought was 8 foot, and it ended up being 8'6". Let's see, up to here, up to the top here is at 7 foot, and so we'll pull it up there and see what's the remaining on our 10-foot net. All right, here's our 7 right here. So our actual actual net looks like it's 10'6" total, even though it's a 10-foot net. The swivel on it's kind of like one of my other nets. There's nothing on the braid lines, on the braille lines, excuse me. A simple tie, mono, glued, a heavy duty swivel, brass, and that's turns. And so what I'd like to do is spread this out, and we'll see how we get. So overall, I'm very impressed. It is, I mean, look at that. That's 3 times tied up in my hand, and I have plenty of room left. This net is very, very sleek, very soft, very nice. Looking forward to throwing it. Y'all have a good day. Juju nets.